Hello everyone, I'm Abhishek and this is the first part of trigonometry. We're going to start with measurement of angles. So our first question is, what do we mean by an angle? An angle is considered as the figure obtained by rotating a given ray about its endpoint. Like we can see that OA is a ray where O is the endpoint. Now if this ray rotates about its endpoint O and takes a position OP, then we can say that angle AOB is generated. Here OA and OB are called the side of the angle AOB. Here the side AO is known as the initial side and the side OB is known as terminal side. Now if we rotate the line AO in anti-clockwise direction, then we get positive angle. But if we rotate it in clockwise direction, then the angle is negative. Now we will know about the measure of an angle. The first one is the degree measure. We will define here one right angle equals to 90 degree. Means one right angle is divided into 90 equal parts. And these equal parts are known as 1 degree. Now further, 1 degree is divided into 60 equal parts and we get 1 degree equals to 60 minutes. And further, 1 minute is divided into 60 equal parts and which gives 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Now the second one is the gradient measure. Here one right angle is equals to 100 grades and 1 grades is divided into 100 parts which gives 100 minutes and 1 minute will be equivalent to 100 seconds. Now the third one is radian measure. A radian is an angle AOB subtended at the center O of a circle by an arc AB whose length is equal to the radius of the circle, and we denote angle AOB as 1 radian. One thing we can say that a radian is a constant angle. So for that we will extend AO to meet the circle at C. So therefore angle AOC will become a straight angle. Now we know that the angle subtended at the center is proportional to its arc. Here we can see that the arc ACE is subtending angle theta at the center and the arc S dash is subtending angle theta dash at the center. So here we can see that smaller angle means smaller arc and bigger angle means bigger arc. So we can write theta by theta dash equals to S by S dash. Now here we can see that for 1 radian angle the arc length was R unit and for the straight angle the arc length will be half of the perimeter, that is pi r unit. Therefore we can write 1 radian by 1 straight angle equals to R by pi r, and which is equals to 1 by pi. Therefore we can write 1 radian equals to 1 straight angle by pi. Therefore we can write 1 straight angle is equals to pi radian. Now next is, what is the relation between three types of measurements? Now we can say that one right angle equals to 90 degree. We have seen one right angle equals to 100 radian and one right angle will be equals to pi by 2 radian. Since one straight angle means 2 right angle, so therefore one right angle will be pi by 2 radian. Therefore we can say that pi radian equals to 180 degree equals to 200 radian. Now we will see that what should be the length of an arc of a circle. So if an arc length is S, which is subtending an angle theta at the center of a circle of radius r, then S equals to r theta. Here theta is measured in radian. So here in this diagram we can see that S is the arc length subtending an angle theta which is measured in radian, and r is the radius of the circle. Then according to the radian measure, we can say that the arc length of the 1 radian angle is r. Then according to this same principle, we can say S by r equals to theta radian by 1 radian. Or we can write S by r equals to theta, which implies S equals to r theta. Now if we consider the complete circle, then S will become the perimeter, which is denoted by P, and theta will become 2 pi. Therefore we can write P equals to 2 pi r. Now we know that the area of the complete circle is pi r square. Now let the area of this sector be a dash. Therefore we can write a by a dash equals to 2 pi by theta, which can be written as pi r square by a dash equals to 2 pi by theta. Now we can cancel pi and we can write a equals to half of theta r square. Therefore we can write the area of a sector can be equals to half S into r or half theta r square. Now let's see this example. Convert minus 37 degree 20 minutes to radian measure. So first of all we will write minus 37 degree 20 minutes as this. Now since we know that 60 minutes equals to 1 degree, so therefore 1 minute will be equals to 1 by 60 degree, hence 20 minutes will be 1/3 degree. So in place of 20 minutes we will write 1/3 degree. After adding 37 and 1 by 3 we get 112 divided by 3 degree. Now we know that 180 degree equals to pi. So therefore 1 degree equals to pi by 180. Hence 112 by 3 degree will be 112 pi by 3 into 180 degree. Sorry, not degree, it's radian. Which after simplifying we get 28 pi by 135 radian. Therefore minus 37 degree 20 minutes equals to minus 28 pi by 135. Here we can put pi equals to 22 by 7 also. So if we put 22 by 7, we will get minus 37 degree 20 minutes equals to minus of 88 by 135 radian. So our next question is find out the degree measure of minus 3. We know that 1 radian equals to 180 by pi degree, which implies 3 equals to 180 into 3 by pi degree. Now we know that pi is equals to 22 by 7. So after calculating this we get 171.8182 degree. Now if we consider the fractional part, that is 0.818 degree, so we need to find out the equivalent minutes. We know that 1 degree equals to 60 minutes. So therefore the fractional part, that is 0.8182 degree, will be 49.092 minutes. Now again the fractional part 0.092 minutes will be converted to seconds. So for that we need to multiply this with 60. So it will give 5.52 seconds. So therefore 3 radian equals to 171 degree 49 minutes 5 seconds. Hence minus 3 radian will be minus of 171 degree 49 minutes 5 seconds. Now the next question is to estimate the diameter of the sun, supposing that it subtends an angle of 32 minutes at the eye of an observer, given that the distance of the sun is 91 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer. So we have to consider here pi equals to 22 by 7. Now let us suppose that the eye of the observer is at that point, which is making 32 minutes angle. Since the distance is 91 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer, so we can consider a big circle of radius 91.10 to the power 6 kilometer from taking the eye of the observer at the center. Now the diameter of the sun is the arc length of that circle. Now let us convert 32 minutes to radian. Now first of all, 32 minutes will be 32 by 60 degree, and 32 by 60 degree will be equals to 0.0093117 minutes. Since we know that S equals to R theta, so here theta equals to 0.00931217 radian and R is equals to 91 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer. So after multiplying this, we get 8,47,407.41 kilometer. So that's all for today. So in my next video, I will talk about trigonometric functions. Thank you.